Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're looking at how to solve systems of equations from context. Okay, so we're going to build upon what we know about solving systems from equations with the two methods we have, either substitution or elimination, and we're going to use that in a word problem. Alright, so here we have Melanie. Is raising money for a school trip by selling candy bars and bags of chips. The price for each candy bar is $1.50 and the price for each bag of chips is $1.25. Yesterday Melanie made $33.25 and sold 13 more candy bars than bags of chips. Determine the number of candy bars sold and the number of bags of chips sold. So we got two equations we need to have for our system of equations. One's going to be in standard form and one's going to be more of a slope-intercept type form. Okay, and we're going to use that and figure out how many bags of chips sold and how many bars of candy. Okay, so I'm going to make this first equation where we'll let the C represents the candy and we'll let B represents the bags of chips. Okay, alright, so for every candy bar it's $1.50. So 150 times every candy bar. If we add that with 125 times every bag of chips, add that together, Melanie made, or because she was selling them, made $33.25. Alright, so that's part of it right there. Alright, the other part is the other equation. We know that she sold 13 more candy bars and bags of chips. Okay, so the candy bar is equal to the bag of chips plus 13. So that's one equation, and here's the other equation. So with this one, we're going to use substitution. We're going to take that and place it in here for C. So that's going to give us 150 times C, which is B plus 13, and everything else we're just going to bring down. And now the equation is just filled with B, and we can solve it. First, we're going to distribute. 150 times B is 150B. 150 times 13 is 1950. I left off the B here. Bring down the 125B equal to 33.25. Alright, now we're going to add like terms, 150 and 125, so we'll get you 275. And now we're going to subtract 1950 on both sides. Running out of space here. I'm going to try to make it a little bigger. At 2.75 is equal to 13.75. I left off the B on this. Put that B there. Now we're going to divide by 2.75. And B is equal to 5. So, she sold 5 bags of, make sure I got that right, 5 bags of chips. Alright, now we're going to figure out how much candy it was. And we're just going to plug it into this formula. So for B, we're going to put 5 plus 13, because it was 13 more candy bars. And you add that together, and you get 18. That's it. Alright, so it's 18 candy bars and 5 bags of chips. So that's one with substitution. Let's take a look at one that has elimination. Let's see which one I want to pick here. Alright. X Chilit went to the movies theater and bought 2 drinks and 9 candy bars, costing a total of $57. And went to the same movie theater. Aaron, different person, went to the same movie theater, about 5 drinks and 3 candies, costing $45. Now figure out the price of each drink and each candy bar. So this one, we're going to have 2 standard form equations. Alright, so we're going to start with the first one, where you have the 2, and let's say, D represent the drinks. D for drinks. And C for candy. Alright. So in one you have 2 drinks plus 9 candy bars will equal 57. And then on the next one you have 5 drinks plus 3 candy bars is equal to 45. So now I'm going to multiply this whole equation so I can get this die to cancel out. So instead of using standard form and substitution on this one, since it's both standard form, we're going to do elimination. So you'll have, I'm going to multiply the whole thing by -3. That way I get a -9c here, and that'll allow me to cancel out or eliminate that middle term. So I have 2d plus 9c is equal to 57. And then on the bottom equation, I'll have -15d plus, minus 9c is equal to 45. Alright, now I'm going to add vertically and get the stuff that can cancel out to cancel out. So 15 and 2 is going to be -13d. Different signs, find the difference. The c's cancel out here, and it leaves me with negative, oh, I messed this up right here. Let me fix this. -135. My bad. So that's going to leave me with a -78. Now I'm going to divide by -13. And d is equal to 6. So drinks cost $6 each. Now we're going to figure out how much the candies cost. So I'm going to take this and plug the 6 in to either one of these. I'm just going to plug it to the one on the bottom here. So I got 5 times 6 plus 3c is equal to 45. You get 30 plus 3c is equal to 45. subtract the 30 on both sides. You get 3c is equal to 15. And then divide by 3. And c is equal to 5. So candy costs $5 each. So this is solving systems of equations from context. Basically just word problems. So what you need to understand is that if you break this down, you get two standard form equations, it's probably best to use elimination. If you get one where you have something is equal to something else, it's probably best to use substitution. So I did one with substitution and one with elimination. And that's it. That is solving system of equations from context. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.